One motor.
Nagpunta ba kayo ng sana kung ano festival? Nagpunta ka ba siya? Right?
Ay, akin next.
Sen, tinan mo, nare-record screen ko.
Yung kaya nung dating na April na 18, 19, 20 yata yun yung holiday?
Yes. Last resort.
Yung Holy Week?
Yeah, that's why nandun siya. Kasi it's fun. Experience.
Oo, sarado.
Sarado. Yes.
Kaya pwede yung gano'n.
Like,
Kaya nga inaano ko, nauna sa later.
Where are you?
The flower.
Flower? Ah, okay. I will research you.
O sila to na kasama natin.
Where are you? I'm here in the egg. Eggs. You see the egg? You see me? Oh, yeah. Ayun, yan. Come on. Muna tayo dito sa ano. Muna tayo sa hanap tayo ng yan. Ito, kaya mo na to, di ba? Yan. Tulungan ka to.
I'm already uploading the hair.
Where are we going? Okay.
Use the sunflower. Birdie! Destroy the dragon nest. Try to destroy the dragon nest, you brainstorm.
Ano tong buy?
Wait,
Ay,
hold
ayoko na
on, hold on. Don't buy that. Look, you have to waste all your money from this. It's worth it.
17.
Wag daw ibay pero binay niya sa mic.
Don't buy pero binay kayo siya na.
Look,
Tek-tekan
7.
eh.
Look, you can beat this very fast. Destroy the
11
dragon
pa lang
nest.
pala si ano. Boom.
You destroy the dragon
Zion.
nest. Don't go back. You're being the dragon nest.
Bakit hindi ko makita? Kaya na yung dragon?
Yes.
Ay, oo, 710 lang eh. Eh, 1.1 na yung kaya ko.
Parang hinahantok na si Carla dapat yun ko nakita yun.
I'm teaching the dinosaur. I'm teaching
I'm hitting the dragon nest. Kaya mo ba yung dragon nest? Hindi pa po. Kailangan 700 ano yun, 900 ano yun. Baka mamatay ka na. Yung try mo yung dinosaur. Level 7 hindi pa pwede.
Diyan sa may Newport Hotel. Sa likuran.
Ayun na.
Na,
Wag ka dyan.
Alam ko, nung ko, sabi naman niya,